I don't know what it means.
Yeah.
We're in the studio with George Janis. George, can I get you to play some more music?
Yeah, totally. It's a new song off, or another song off the new album. It's called Gratitude. This time of year 2 years ago, it didn't feel like this because we didn't know, someday this would end. We're settled in, but we're packing now. Everything we've unpacked from then to now. I'm lying on the floor, I don't know where to begin. Oh, maybe my baby, they were right. We've been moving so fast from the start. Maybe my baby tonight, we could take it slow and I'd keep you safe from time. You'd still be here and mine. We fell so hard when we hit the road. We headed west for Colorado. We were playing house, but we never called it home. Everything was new and not so easy. There were times that we both felt lonely till the day we made it free. Now look at our little family. Oh, it's been so long since I sang your song. I hope you got all night, 'cause this might take long. Because even if I could fit all my love and gratitude in one song, forever it would play for you. Forever my heart would play for you. If we choose to go our own way, I know there will come a day that you'll be looking back at me the same way you did when we ran away. Oh, maybe my baby won't go. Maybe she'll stay tonight and we can take it slow. Because even if I could fit all my love and gratitude in one song, forever it would play for you. Forever, my heart would play for you.
Houston's Crane Services. If you have heavy lifting to do, call Houston Crane Services.
410-543-1300.
Need flatbed services? Call Houston's Crane Service.
410-543-1300.
Require a hydraulic crane? Call Houston Crane Services.
410-543-1300.
Locally owned and operated Houston's Crane Service, doing your heavy lifting since 1996.
410-543-1300.
Try the world-famous Nicoboli at Nicola Pizza in Rehoboth Beach, or buy them by the case to take home. We blend our cheeses in-house and make our sauce and dough fresh every day, ensuring a fresh, natural product. Visit Nicola Pizza and tell a friend.
Atlantic Beverage Center, 50th Street, Bayside, and Ocean City offers the area's best selection of liquor, beer, and wine. Rare spirits, local craft beers, assorted wines, we've got you covered. Stop in for happy hour from 2 to 5 and receive 10% off everything in the store.
Right now, get Jameson $28.99, Ryan's Irish Cream $13.99, Monkey Bay Sauvignon Blanc $9.99, and always in stock Secret Spirits handcrafted small batch distilled liquors.
Atlantic Beverage Center. Find what you thirst for at great prices.
Live Licks at 6. Brought to you by Secrets Jamaica USA and simulcast on ocean98.com and Facebook Live.
That's right. You're listening to Live Licks at 6. One of our sponsors, the Secrets Distilling Company. You can find out all about the tours, their location, hours of operation, and the history of the distillery by going to secretsdistilling.com. Excuse me. They'll have tours available this weekend on both Saturday and Sunday between 11 and 5 p.m. The tours depart every hour on the hour and cost $10 per person. You will be provided with samples of the Secrets Distilling product at the end of the tour, tastings of the product that you just learned how it was made. So you must be 21 or older to take the tour. Head to secretsdistilling.com for all the information, and it's a good thing to do. I haven't done it this year. Have you heard of the Secrets Distilling company there, George? They weren't here the last time you were here.
Yeah, no. I think you were here last summer though, right?
Yes, they were.
Yeah, that was the first time I checked it out.
Yeah. Have you taken the tour yet?
No, we did not take the tour. I think we had Secret beer here, right? They serve that.
The Secrets, that's the Tropic Ale.
Okay.
That's another fine product available at Secrets Jamaica USA exclusively, I believe.
Right. That's awesome. Yeah, it's good stuff. Come check it out. It's huge. It just adds to this massive building.
It's an interesting addition to the Secrets campus. It has a presence that's undeniable, right?
Yeah.
And the inside's even cooler. Yeah. I mean, the outside's neat and all, but the inside's really cool.
Yeah, totally. The fact that nobody's here today is so cool to experience it like that. And,
there's tons of people here. No, we're closed today. Tomorrow we open Thursday through Sunday.
Yeah, don't come here Monday through Wednesday in the off season because you will feel like I did when I first showed up today, thinking that this whole thing was canceled. I was like, "What is closed?" If
you head to the Ocean 98 Facebook page, I took a picture of you and your brother practicing down on the sand, and it was funny. The reason I took the picture was Ocean 98, you're on the air.
It's a moon pie.
A moon pie. Goodbye. When you guys took advantage of the fact that no one was on the sand, I think that some people that don't come to Secrets regularly don't understand that it's a sandy beach even when you're indoors.
Right.
And so you guys got to do something that I don't think I've ever seen a band do before. You guys set up and did a little rehearsal space down on the sand, and I took a picture and put it on the internet because it looked really cool.
Awesome. Cool. Nice. Yeah, we'll Photoshop in all the people that are here later on.
Well, no, that's what made it unique and nice that you could take advantage of get under the palm trees and just kick back and relax and warm up. What's wrong with that, right?
Yeah. No.
Ocean 98. Oops. Oh God, I hate when that happens. All right, George Jano, GeorgeJano.com. He has an album coming out. It's called Good For You. The title track, Good For You. We've been spinning it here at Ocean 98. Yeah. You, if I'm correct, have 2 singles coming out again?
Two singles are already out right now. So the first song we played live today was called History of Wrong Turns. It's the first track on the album, and Good For You is the second track, title track of the album, and they're both available right now on all major platforms.
CD Baby, iTunes.
CD Baby, CD Baby, iTunes, Spotify, and all that stuff. Amazon, Google Play, all those places. So
I CD Baby is something that hasn't been on my radar too much until recently, and more recently, I think a lot of artists are using CD Baby.
Yeah,
I keep getting directed there.
Right. Yeah. They really make it easy for you.
What's your preferred place? If you all of them were going to die except one, which one would you keep around?
Well, so I've only compared. I haven't experienced working with like Bandcamp or any of those, or is it Bandcamp? Bandzoogle.
They got a lot of flutes at Bandcamp.
Or like other manufacturers or distributors. I haven't. This is the first one I've worked with, so can't say too much. But comparing them side by side, CD Baby seemed like the safe choice.
Yeah. It seems like it's getting a lot of traction. Based on my experience, just with talking to people, I'm like, oh wow, CD Baby again.
Yeah, totally. Yeah. And they really make it easy for you, and they're kind of like the full package. Everybody else seems to be lacking on something that they offer, whereas CD Baby has their manufacturing partners, their website building partners.
It's a one-stop shop.
Yeah, you can really for an independent DIY artist like myself.
It's kind of like Secrets Jamaica USA. Drop by the Secrets campus, 50th Street, the ABC store. Happy hour of their own, 2 to 5. Take 10% off your purchase price. Thought I get that plug in there.
Yeah, nice.
I know that you're going to be releasing another single in a couple days. What's the title of that single?
That song is called "Bring Them Home."
Okay. Yeah. Is it about the troops?
It is about the troops. Yeah, I would say that. And it's a message to, I'd say that if I had to put a dear whoever to whom it may concern, if there's anybody I could have hear this song, it'd be Congress. But hopefully they would get the message from it. And,
you'd be surprised how many people listen to this radio show. I don't think this is the type of platform that you might get in the ear of some of the people that need to hear what you're saying.
Yeah. So if you're out there, Mitch McConnell, Paul Ryan, or any of you guys that are voting in Congress, end the war that's been going on since I was, a preteen.
Yeah.
That's the main. If I had to, summarize the song, it's.
No, I know what you mean. My nephew that's been born as it is right now, he's never lived in a country that wasn't at war.
Right.
It's weird.
It is, yeah, exactly. And there, you have a whole generation behind, like our generation, that's going to grow up.
No, I was born in 60. I think I was born in War II, but then I got to live in peace for a really long time. Yeah, I was born in Vietnam.
Right. Yeah. And then Cold War, so there's like a fear of war that followed always. But it's just this reality that people have become so conditioned to this constant state of warfare. And, when you really look at how our country spends money, we really look at the little guy and say that, we shouldn't be taking care of them, but we can, put more than 60% of our budget into taking over other countries.
I hope you're going to play this